In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete background in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must have an image that has some background. I have this landscape over here, and let's say I wish to delete this background over here, which are basically these foggy clouds. Now, to do this, by far the easiest way is to just click on Pixel up top, and here you'll be able to see this tool, which is basically the Erase Brush tool. You want to just click on this arrow next to it and switch over to Background Erase Brush. When you do that, zoom in, and then what you can do here, of course, is adjust the size up top left. Let's say when you do like 330, okay? And then whenever you come over here, you must, the only thing you must do is actually, let's say over 2/3 of your brush over here must be in the area which you want to remove. So let's say like this over here. As you can see, if I go down a bit, it's going to start removing these mountains, but if I'm up, it's basically pretty nicely filtering out this sky. Okay, so if I just go ahead and click on whenever I'm happy here, it's going to basically step by step start removing this bit over here. Now, of course, I'm doing this step by step to be very precise, but what you could do is also just kind of drag it like a paintbrush like this, and it's also going to do its job. However, sometimes it may do something like this over here, which is slightly inconvenient, so that's why I kind of prefer doing it step by step, because I can control every single point over here. Now, when you come to the very end, let's say this is now the very end over here. Actually, I've almost come here. There we go. What you can then do is just switch over to the regular erase brush tool, make this a lot bigger, and then just basically remove the, basically just remove the rest of this background like that. And as you can see, you've successfully deleted or removed the background in Affinity Designer, and then you can now do whatever you want with this new image. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.